Kosmos 1408 was an electronic and signals intelligence satellite operated by the Soviet Union. It was launched into low Earth orbit on 16 September 1982, replacing Kosmos 1378. On 15 November 2021, it was destroyed in a Russian anti-satellite weapons test. The satellite was launched on its Cyclone 3 launch vehicle on 16 September 1982 from Site 32 halves at the Plessetsk Cosmodrome as part of the Tselina D system. It had a mass of around 2,200 kilograms with an expected lifespan of around 6 months. It was in low Earth orbit with an perigee of 645 kilometers, an apogee of 679 kilometers, an inclination of 82.5 degrees. Its orbital period was 97.8 minutes. It replaced Kosmos 1378. On 15 November 2021, the satellite blew up, generating a space debris stream that threatened the International Space Station H orbit equals 400 kilometers. The 7 crew members aboard the IS took shelter in the crew capsules so they could quickly return to Earth if debris struck the station. The satellite had been in orbit just above the IS, and the debris passes by the IS every 93 minutes. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.